Water is life. Without it, we cannot survive. Through climate change and mismanagement, our water security is being threatened. It is up to the next generation of innovators to find solutions to this worldwide issue. With this in mind, biomimicrySA and FLOW partnered with the Bionic Learning Network of FESTO, a global leader in automation technology and industrial training and education programs, to run a student design challenge in Cape Town as part of World Design Capital 2014. The aim of the challenge was to create unique water harvesting solutions using biomimicry and an innovative 3D woven fog capturing material. The winner of the challenge would be given the opportunity to present their design at Germany's Hannover Messe, the world's biggest industrial fair.
Today we're running a biomimicry workshop for designers, engineers, biologists and other students from the Western Cape around FESTO, looking at harvesting water from air.
Water is probably one of the most important things for us to address. It underpins so many of the problems when we talk about sustainability. We're facing extreme water scarcities in South Africa. So it's a fantastic idea to launch a biomimicry design workshop around water, because it's something all of us use, something all of us understand and depend on, and it brings so many different disciplines together. The way to solve complex problems is to learn from each other and to bring different perspectives.
Sitting in the classroom, you're always with the same sort of people, so it's great to have this practical application and to see what it's like to work in a team with people with a completely different mindset. The biomimicry challenge is quite appropriate for us. It's something that we try to do very much in water management. We try to recreate natural forms and flows and natural processes to optimize the way we use and the way we treat water.
What's happening here today is very exciting for me because I can show students the wealth of information and knowledge about plants. I don't know why it's taken so long for people to make the connection between nature and technology, because nature has designed all of these things through millions of years of evolution, and the answers are all there. It's so obvious. Plants conserve water. We have a problem with conserving water, so why not just look to plants?
We forget to look at the simplicity and the beauty of natural systems. I hope that one day I will see a design somewhere that I may be able to link back to today's workshop.
The first workshop for this design challenge was purely on the biomimicry process. Today is to help the students to refine their design. And we're looking at design process, specifically prototyping. And we've got some different people who've got different skills in different areas around to actually help mentor the students with specific questions they have.
My name is Michael Lambert. I'm a permaculture designer. I work at the Goed Gedag Trust, where we are developing a permaculture project around sustainable living. We have a fog harvester on the farm, which is responsible for capturing fog and channeling it into our water system. I think the value of getting students to participate in the forefront of innovation and design is that they are most likely to be the ones that identify the gaps that exist in current technology, in our current design systems, and they're the ones that are going to have the greatest amounts of freedom to reshape design processes.
Okay, so if I won this competition, it would open up huge doors, and they'd be traveling involved, which is one of my first loves, and it would be working with different cultures, which is something I find very interesting because each culture has a different approach to kind of solving a problem.
After the workshop weekend, the students broke into groups to discuss, conceptualize, and present their ideas for the design challenge. 6 groups were selected and granted a budget to build a prototype and final presentation.
Well, we're at the top 6 finalists FESTO competition. Presented today some great designs.
I remember the morning when I read the email that I was chosen, and I was really excited and nervous and anxious and happy.
The teams had a challenging day presenting their concepts and prototypes to an acclaimed group of judges. The judges then deliberated and selected a winner.
Well, we're at UCT at the John Day Zoology building and really excited to hand out certificates and announce the winner. I think it's been a long road. Really want to congratulate Team HYDRATORS as the only winner. Yay.
It feels really, really amazing to be the winners. We are very, very happy, and we couldn't have had a better time doing it.
The design challenge was a huge success. Students from different universities worked together in multidisciplinary teams and produced exceptional prototypes, worthy to be featured on an international stage next to the best innovators and innovations in the world.